So we're here at Acer's IFA press conference, and the company brought along with them a whole range of laptops. Most of them are mere upgrades, just the newest Intel processors, a better component or two. But here we have the brand new 15-inch model of the Swift 5. And Acer now lays claim to having the lightest 15-inch laptop around. They've done that by using magnesium, lithium and aluminum in the build. It feels a lot like plastic, not just because of the finish, but also because it's about as light as a dinner tray. I mean, it's really light. The only potential problem with that is while the kind of base feels quite sturdy, the display portion, I mean, is extremely bendy, which could, potentially result in some durability problems. But on the plus side, it does weigh under 2.2 pounds, although it sounds a little bit better if you say under 1 kilogram, because it's actually 990 grams. On the inside, you get Intel's 8th generation, either a Core i5 or Core i7 processor. You get Intel's UHD 630 GPU for graphics, up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and up to a 1 terabyte drive. Also on the front, you have, it's not actually strictly a 15-inch display, it's a 15.6-inch display, 1080p touchscreen. So it might be the world's lightest 15-inch laptop, but it's definitely not the thinnest, and that's actually, in my opinion, a good thing. The keyboard, you get a lot of travel on it, there's a fingerprint reader. Because it's, potentially a little bit thicker than some of the thinnest, you get a great amount of ports on here. You've got an HDMI port, a couple of normal USBs, a USB-C, you even get an SD card reader, so for me, that's a plus. Definitely the key spec here, and why, Acer's calling it a world's first, is definitely the weight. I mean, you could frisbee the thing, it's really light. And if that's something that's important to you, then this will be available starting at $1,100 in the US in January. It's also coming to Europe a little bit earlier in November for around 1,100 euros. But Acer also teased a brand new model of the Swift 7 on stage today. The last version of that laptop was announced at CES, and the new one they showed off today, they say is going to be the thinnest and lightest 14-inch laptop whenever it goes to market. Now, we're not quite sure when that will be. It was only a tease today. We're going to try and get access to it a little bit later this week, and when we do, you'll be the first to know. But today is just the first day of press conferences at IFA 2018, so stay tuned on Engadget.com for all the news.